So it's been over 40 degrees for the past 2 days and pretty much all the snow has melted. I was at Lake Placid on Friday to get some skiing in, but all they had was a 0.3 kilometer loop of manufactured snow. So, been a little disappointed on this winter break, coming back from Virginia to no snow to ski on. My plan for today was to roller ski on the bike path towards Lake George, swap out foot gear, and then hike up / run up Prospect Mountain and back down, and then kind of reverse back the way I came on roller skis. But the first crossing of the bike trail that I checked at Birdsall Road was too icy. So I have not enough snow to ski on, but too much snow to roller ski, which is an absolutely ridiculous proposition. But I'm not giving up yet. I'm gonna try one more crossing of the bike path to get an idea of what it looks like. I have a feeling I'm not gonna be roller skiing today. I might just try to do a hike or something. We'll see. I don't know, it looks like there's snow on it. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do one more pass. Yeah. So yeah, it looks like everywhere there's shade, there's about 1 inch deep of slushy snow, so not gonna be roller skiing today. Yeah, see, this is more of the bike path here. Right on the side of the road, on the other side of the guardrail. Oh, there's gates up. Trail closed. Looks like there's snow down there. Yeah, look at all that snow down there. Yeah. Yeah, good thing I didn't decide to go for it. I would've been fucked. Head down here into the village, cruise up Prospect Mountain, which is right there. Wait, not that one. You'll see it once you go a little bit around the bend. Right up there. See where that bald summit is? Yeah, I'm gonna go up that. That has a pretty good view from middle school or whenever I did it last, I have no idea. It is 35 degrees. The trail is 2.8 miles total up and down. So I'm not gonna bring a bag. Bring some gloves, bring a buff, bring my wind shell, and this pack. I don't think I'm gonna bring any water either. Bring some now. I don't think this will take me more than an hour. If it does, I really am very out of shape. Granola bar. Okay. I think I will bring poles though, staying in the spirit of kind of Nordic style stuff. Since I can't roller ski, might as well bring some poles, right? Make me faster, I guess.
Let's go. Right, here we go now. That man scoop on the mic, mixing the mix on the wheels of steel. This is what I was fucking born to do. Let's go.
This is the bridge that goes over I-87. First road crossing. This is the Veterans Memorial Highway. It winds up to the summit. In the summer months you can pay at the bottom and drive your car up and not hike this trail. This is a good opportunity to talk about something I haven't mentioned before, and that is trail conditions. Ethan, aren't you afraid of slipping and falling? The answer is sometimes, yeah. On my way up, just kind of test it, see how these shoes kind of feel. It's grippy enough on the way up that I can kind of use it as an upward plant, but on the way down, it's something that my shoes would probably give out on. You don't really have to take much extra time to do. You can just kind of, on your way up, and kind of walk, do a little step, something like that, and keep going. There are actually so many blazes on this trail, it gets a little confusing. Seems I just about made it. Trail to summit. Up here is the location of the old Prospect Mountain House. Oh, I remember this. So this is the top of what used to be a cog railway, which is what most of the trail was. House is right here. I'll come back and look. I gotta top out first. Well, here we are. You can drive your car up to basically the summit, it looks like. I actually remember a lot more of this than I thought I would. Here we go. Prospect Mountain, baby. Coconut almond. All right, let's see how quickly I can drop down this thing without killing myself. No dogs. Nothing like running down a highway. So I'm a bit unnerved because I'm on the red trail and somehow on my way up I just completely passed this without even noticing. I mean, that's pretty obvious, right? I don't know, I hope I was just in the zone and I'm not like going crazy or something.